Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start at the main menu, open Settings immediately to access language controls. Once you open Settings, choose the General or Game tab where localization options live. Make sure you are signed into your profile because some platforms save language per account. Next, look for the Language or Text/Voice subsection. This displays available interface and voice languages. If the menu loads slowly, wait for assets to finish. Don't restart mid-change, or you might lose unsaved preferences. Once in the language section, pick interface language first so menus and HUD update correctly. Then select voice language if you want characters and callouts in a different tongue, some titles separate text and audio. After making selections, press Apply or Save. This forces the game to recompile language files. If prompted, accept a restart. Certain engines reload resources to swap audio and subtitles. Remember that downloadable language packs might download before changes take effect. Finish by restarting the game so all text and audio resources initialize in the new language. Once relaunched, open multiple menus and play a short match to confirm HUD, subtitles, and voiceover have switched. If something still shows the old language, check Platform Region Settings and the game's Download Manager for pending language packs. As a troubleshooting tip, clear cache or verify game files through the launcher to force re-download of corrupted language resources. This fixes most remaining issues without reinstalling the entire game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.